Kumusta? I'm Raymond and welcome to my channel. This video is all about expressing annoyance or frustration in Hiligaynon. I am bot. Whatever. I am bot. Ikaw abi eh. It's your fault. Ikaw abi eh. Kahuluya. What a shame. Kahuluya. Siling ko na gid eh. I told you so. Siling ko na gid eh. Wala kasing labot. It's none of your business. Wala kasing labot. Wala ako sing labot. It's none of my business. Wala ako sing labot. Sala ina iya. That's not right. Sala ina iya. Wala ato ah. It's nothing serious. Wala ato ah. Kailinit man ah. How irritating or how annoying. Kailinit man ah. Kabastos sa imo. You're so rude. Kabastos sa imo. Hindi ko ina gusto. I don't like that. Hindi ko ina gusto. Sobra na gid ini. This is too much. Sobra na gid ini. Sobra ka na gidya. You're too much. Sobra ka na gidya. Relax ka lang bala. You relax. You just relax. Relax ka lang bala. Ambot sa imo. I don't know about you. Ambot sa imo or ambot sa imo. Hambal mo eh, because you said so. Hambal mo eh. Basta ikaw. Anything for you, basta ikaw. Kuripot. Cheapskate. Kuripot. Buang. Crazy. Buang. Wala kasang huya. Shameless or thick-skinned. Wala kasang huya. Katikalon simo or katikalon sa imo. You're boastful. Katikalon simo. Kasabad simo or kasabad sa imo. You're so naughty. Kasabad simo. Bahala na ang Diyos. God willing. Bahala na ang Diyos. Sa kaluoy sang Diyos. By God's grace. Sa kaluoy sang Diyos. Bahala na ah. Come what may. Bahala na ah. Gamay na lang antos ah. Gamay na lang antos ah. Just be patient or wait a little more. While we are at it, you might also want to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe in order that I will be inspired to do more videos like this. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen if you want to learn more. Thank you very much and take care always.